Yo, what's going on, fellas? Yo, how many people do we even got in here today? We got quite some people. Guys, today is Fomc. Whew. That's gonna be tough, Fomc. What's going on, Adhil? Hello, hello. What's up, guys? What's up? Y'all wanna do some technical analysis? Let's do some technical analysis. What's going on, AG Trades? I see you here every day. Who really wants to learn something? Good afternoon. It's morning over here, but good afternoon. I'm still wiping the boogers and crust out my eyes. All right. Let's do some analysis, guys. What's going on? NQ did a major retracement. Now we're rejecting a 4-hour fair value gap. Okay, cool. That doesn't really mean anything to me right now because we can easily run this 4-hour gap. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we have swept some type of liquidity. Here, we swept liquidity to the upside, but it doesn't matter because we've swept liquidity again to the downside. While respecting this 1-hour gap, if we want to be bearish, this gap has to fail because this would be a liquidity sweep and then break of structure, not another liquidity sweep. That's what has to happen. Yeah, let's execute good trades today. So in Q, we have this 1 hour above in front of us. Okay. Is there any news before FOMC? No, there isn't. Yeah, I see absolutely nothing. Good job. This 1 hour is aligned with Asia sessions high. Could be very, very interesting. This 1 hour gap is aligned with Asia sessions high. Now let's go analyze gold. Gold might be cleaner. I lied. Gold looks like a chop fest. But what's going on with gold? Gold doesn't really want to reverse. Gold doesn't want to reverse off this high. It's just consolidating. Look at it. It's really just consolidating. Oh man. Okay. I want us to find a very good setup today. And yesterday we hit, what, 50 viewers? If today we hit 75 viewers, I'll give away another funded account. I'll give away another funded account. Share the stream with your friends, like the stream. Like the stream, spam the comments. Holy chop. Gold looks like ass. Oh my goodness. What am I even looking at? Yo, what's up from Poland? I'm not gonna begin to understand this. I bet you the 5-minute is worse. Sweep, come back, sweep. This high stayed protected. This low still hasn't been taken. So if we're bearish from this move to this low here, we kept this high protected. So we should be coming down to take out this low and maybe these potential Asia session low. Okay, it looks confusing, but you have to like take a step back. And then if you look here, what happened? Sweep here. We left equal highs, so more than likely, maybe the market will continue ranging one more time, come back up, take out these highs before continuing lower, because these are equal highs, but gold does that a lot. It'll just leave equal highs and keep going. It does that a lot. So gold is bearish. Gold is bearish. But that was so hard to read, like my eyes hurt. Let me look at ES. Do they want to do like a... We're not even in discount yet. I think we might be bearish. Let me let my IG know that we're live. Let me help you all out a little bit. We live, baby. Y'all join. The fuck? Oopsie. Accidentally leaked my messages. Oopsie. there we go. Wait, what just happened? Am I still live? There we go. Okay. Miami. What about Miami? What's in Miami? Guys, I'm trying to share the live right now. So give me 1 second. Um, a 3 minute fair value gap inverse after the low on NQ. This one, that's a 5 minute. It's probably this one that you're talking about, which is all the way up here. You have to wait and see. For example, what I'm looking at, I want to see how price is reacting off of these highs here. But then since that's my bias, then technically speaking, I'm expecting price to go up to these highs. So I do think it's very valid that price will react and go up to these highs. Especially you have to watch to see how it reacts from this FEG here. It's like it needs to retest it, balance it, keep going higher while disrespecting bearish FEGs and respecting bullish FEGs. But yeah, it's valid. I like to catch the move of the day, so more than likely I'll be waiting. I want to see if FOMC is just gonna make price chop around, so I have to be careful in the setups I take. Because today is FOMC. Yes, FOMC at 1 p.m. So you have to be careful with the type of setups you take. Let's see what gold does too. Remember, equal highs above, gold can go take that. Well, man, gold looks choppy. No, I still haven't. What are you guys looking at? We are like, what, 22 viewers? Don't worry, guys. Let me give y'all some motion. I'm about to post this on my story. That's that tap I was telling y'all about on NQ to continue going higher. All right. There it goes, yeah. Okay. You'll have my undivided attention. Well, I'm trying to get this chat pumping. Guys, I'll give away a funded account at 75 viewers. And make sure y'all are liking the stream. Let's see. This is a good retest. These highs are being took right now. These highs are definitely being took right now. And then if you go onto the 1 hour time frame, it's like we're coming off of a sweep here of the 1 hour while respecting this 1 hour gap as well. It's definitely not a bad trade, but you have to understand we're ranging between two forms of liquidity. Yeah, that's what I would do. That's what I would do. Like definitely cut once we start taking out the, especially this high up here into this 1 hour gap. Especially this level here. I'll cut. How do I avoid getting called to live? So I actually switched over to a live account on my own personal live account. I've been called to live a couple times. I've been called to live on TPT, and then I switched over from TPT to like Tradeify and Alpha Futures or something. I had my little phase with them, and then from Alpha Futures and all of them, I switched over to live account. So it's like I've actually really only been called out to live like once. And yeah. But now I'm coming back and I'm trading with Apex, so we'll see how that goes. I'll probably get called to live on them after a couple months. If we look NQ in higher time frame, we have 4 hour BPRs and 1 hour IFEGs and FIB 0.5 level are above London highs. If NQ wants to fill the weekly gap, then it might mitigate those levels, then trade lower. Let's take a look. Weekly gap below that it might need to fill. Okay, valid. Let's take a look. What else did you say? We have a 4 hour BPR. Yes, we do. Up here, 4 hour BPR. We also have one down here, 4 hour BPR that we can easily reject to. Let's draw our fib from high to low. Oh, from high to low. 0.5 level is right above this high here, which is also at the 0.5 level. A great analysis, by the way, AG Trades. This is how you do technical analysis. Of course, no problem, Jojo. No problem, Jojo. 90% off. Code Dae, everybody. But yeah. So 0.5 levels right by the 4 hour BPR. That's valid. Drop down to the 1 hour. 1 hour, the only thing I don't like is that the 1 hour has already swept out a level and rejected. So you now have to be mindful. Okay, on the 4 hour, we wanted to go a little bit. Yes, it did. So you have to watch it and be careful. So this is what I see, right? A lot of you trade differently. This is what I see. What I see is NQ swept out a high and NQ swept out a low. What are we doing? We are technically just in this range. If you look on the higher time frame, we want NQ to go lower. Why do we want NQ to go lower? To fill in that new week opening gap, but it can fill it in with FOMC. It doesn't have to fill it in now. It can fill it in with FOMC. What will NQ do right now for us to catch a trade? What can we look at for NQ to do right now? Well, on the 5-minute time frame, NQ is still putting in bearish structure until this high here gets taken. I trade the 5-minute time frame, not really like the 1 minute and all that stuff. So on the 5-minute time frame, this is, what is this? Low, high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Once it breaks this, we can start getting interested in what NQ might want to do, react from, and yada, 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 and all that fun stuff. So that's why I'm just waiting. Like, there's nothing here for me to take. ES looks extremely bearish, by the way. Just saying. ES looks extremely bearish. Hey, for everybody who just joined right now, please turn on notifications on your on your YouTube, because I don't want to post that I'm live every day before I get viewers in here. You got what I'm trying to say? It's like, I appreciate y'all still joining after I post it, but it's like, we'll be chilling at 20 viewers, and then I post that I'm live, and then we jump to like 80. Like, I appreciate the support, but please turn on notifications so you don't miss a live, because some days I might not post it. You know what I mean? And once we get to 75 viewers today, I'll give away another funded account. I might trade ES today like I did yesterday. Gold coming for these equal highs. It starts at 7 a.m., but I'm gonna change the time to 7:15 because I'm usually late. So 7:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Live starts. What time does live? Okay, thanks. Edged my TP. It'll hit it. It'll get there. Like, it should take out this high. Hey, now that I think about it, ES is extremely bearish. Like, very, very bearish. It's almost like look at this candle's body closure. Oh, come on. ES is extremely bearish. New week opening gap below. Same with NQ, new week opening gap below. Come on, guys. Let's see. Boom, there goes Marcus's TP. Boom, there goes your TP. Brian, but when I watch you taking second and making profits, I get so unwell. Okay, guys, one trade a day rule is under the assumption that you won or lost. All right, like I'm perfectly okay with if you got break even on a trade and you take another setup. That's perfectly fine. The one trade a day rule is to protect P&L. Is to protect your your P&L. Your P&L hasn't moved. Your P&L didn't move. You got break even on that trade, so you're more than welcome to try again. But when you try again and you lose, get off the charts. But one trade a day is pretty much like win or lose your one trade a day. So I should have been specific, but you can, if you want to, you can take only one setup a day. Like you see the one setup present itself, you take it, break even, win, lose, you get off the charts. That's a little bit more strict, but by doing so, it might take you forever to like pass an account because you're gonna have break even days. You know what I'm trying to say? Okay, AG trades. I'm sure, like, not trying to be rude, I'm sure you know the answer to that question. Hey, tell me about non-trading days, like where you waited 3 to 4 hours, but you did not find any setups. Do you just leave the desk or force any low quality trades with, oh, okay, I didn't finish reading. I'm sorry. With evals, not funded. Sometimes I do that. But I didn't do that when I started. So for example, I won't post on social media for y'all to do that. You get what I'm trying to say? So an analogy I like to use is if an NBA player, not saying I'm at that level, I like to be humble, but if LeBron James was teaching you how to play basketball and he teaches you how to do a layup, for example, but then you start seeing him dunk the ball, you're gonna be like, wait, hold on, what the fuck is he doing? He's done. What is that? Why didn't you teach me that? And he's like, chill. There's levels to this. Let me show you how to properly play basketball, though. It's the same concept. Like, guys, all the stuff I tell you not to do, sometimes I do. It's not me being a hypocrite. It's me having the means to like be able to suffer the consequences and not care. I have full ported evals before, and sometimes they've worked and sometimes they haven't. But I'm not gonna go on social media and tell y'all to full port evals. You're not gonna watch me come on live stream and watch me full port evals. Why? Because I have the means to buy evals and do that. That doesn't mean that's the proper way to trade, so I'm not going to promote that. You get what I'm trying to say? But if I'm trading properly, like on my live account, my live actual money I put into on my live account, I will never do such a thing. Ever. Ever. If I don't find a setup, I'm getting up and I'm walking away. Like you wouldn't smell me to the next day. So it's all context. It's all context. Whew. I feel like I rambled a bit there. But I hope that's valid. You know what I'm trying to say? I hope what I said was valid and makes sense. I'm not gonna promote something that's gonna make y'all a worser trader or hurt y'all. Let's go. Let's go, Eric. This shit is still pumping. I got to tell you this. I got my first payout from Top Step because of your model, man. Hey, man. I'm trying to tell these boys. They don't want to listen to me. They don't want to listen to me. This stuff is the truth. It works. Do I use RSI? I do not. Okay, NQ's flipped mad bullish. Good trade, Marcus. I want to see how it reacts in here. Oh, Jesus Christ, gold looks disgusting. Oh my goodness. What about ES? Let's see how ES starts reacting at this 4-hour. Yeah. What do you think about combining TRT with ICT? Trump speaks at 2:30 UK time market. Due to go crazy today. 2:30 is what time in US? 2:30 UK time is what time in the US? That's 9:30 a.m. or 8:30. Is that EST? AG Trades, is that EST or CST? 9:30 EST. Holy shit, that's 8:30 our time. Oh my goodness. That low-key means if we want to take a trade, we gotta find one now. But I'm not gonna force anything. It's on Forex Factory? Oh, but why'd they put it as yellow, orange folder news though? I usually ignore all orange folder news, but this one, they should make it red. It's Trump. That's NQ tapping into this BPL right now. Let me look on the 5-minute. Okay, the setup ain't bad. Lows below us. What time is it? 7:40. Session level, Asia session low, high, higher high, inverse. Yeah, it looks like I need to see how this 5-minute on ES holds, and then low key, I might be looking to short. And respecting this 15-minute as well. Yeah, I mean, I kind of like it, respecting this 15-minute as well. I mean, it has everything. I mean, hey, I'm not gonna lie, we might get an early setup today. Like, I'm looking at ES right now. I'll probably take the trade on ES over NQ. NQ looks a lot more bullish than ES. But shit, man, like, This is a nice 3-minute closure beneath our zone. I just don't want this low to be a liquidity grab. That'll piss me off. But let's see. Yeah, let's see. I might take an early trade here. 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. You're in the 3-minute? You took a trade already? Did you use this break of structure or something? Are you on ES or NQ first of all? You have to be patient, man. Like we don't know yet. Well, at least I don't know yet. The confluences look good, but then you have to wait for confirmation. Like confluences look good. Rejecting a 15-minute fair value gap that we're rejecting off of, following a bearish trend, cool. Asia session low, cool. Reacting nice off 5-minute breaker block. I have to go check. Asia session low, cool. What's it called? 5-minute inversion. All that stuff is cool. Do we have a liquidity target below us? Yes. We have these lows here. Cool. The 3-minute candle. Y'all need to tell me if you're talking about NQ or ES, because ES looks like it's ripping higher now. The 3-minute candle inverse bullish. What's going on, Leonard? We'll have a call later today. The 3-minute candle inverse the bullish 3-minute FEG, but it didn't close. Oh, you're only taking NQ. Yeah, it didn't close. Don't take this. You get cooked. It just filled it. The 3-minute only inversed it. I think what's happening is NQ's waiting for these Asia session highs up here to get tapped. I think it wants those highs. Guys, we look like a chop fest. Do y'all see this? Yeah, like we're still pumping. Like, you see what I'm saying? I listed out all those confluences and we're still, like, we just inversed that 15-minute on ES. It doesn't look that great anymore. My stream is slow. How's my stream slow? I turned up the latency to ultra low. Guys, this market looks horrible. Oh, what's MGC? Look at gold. Like, what is this? I'm not gonna force anything today though. I will try and take a trade if I can. Like, look at this. NQ just edged these relative equal highs. I appreciate that Sonic Dash, but the way these markets are looking right now, we just got to be patient. That ES short looked so good, and then it failed. Yeah, I want to see if we can reverse off of these highs. By the way, Marcus, I want to see if we can reverse off of these highs on NQ. I just want to see something really quick. Like 4-hour BPR, what else do you need, man? Yeah, chill, bro. Chill on what? Are you talking to me? Oh my God, look on the 4 hour, look at gold. Guys, say whatever you want about like trend lines and all that stuff. Dude, a massive breakout is coming. Oh my God. I think FOMC is going to skyrocket gold. Holy shit. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? No problem, Leonard. We'll talk soon and I hope you feel better, all right, man? Bro, gold is about to go stupid later today. I can't lie. Like, look at this freaking flag. Look at this flag, bro. Guys, this stuff works. I trade them, like, I don't trade them, but I use them for analysis on the higher time frame. I use them for analysis on the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, I use everything. I'll be real. I use fibs. I use market structure. I use trend lines. Whatever you see, because you have to understand on the higher time frame, it's more likely to work. So on the higher time frame, we're more likely to break out bullish because we're on a bullish flag than we would be on the 1 minute time frame. Like that's just kind of how it works. Oh. Guys, a London high short might not be that bad here. A London high short on gold will not be that bad. Go for a 1-to-1. We're choppy. Marcus, you think it's going to pop right now? Because it's a 4-hour flag. I think it might reject here again to continue going lower back down. It's a 4-hour flag. It's not going to pop on the 5-minute, will it? Hold on, I need Marcus to respond real quick. No. Gold doesn't react to market open. It's almost like non-existent. I think it more than likely reacts to FOMC. Gold doesn't react to market open. It's very non-existent. FOMC, yeah. I low-key think what happens is we continue doing like low-key, I think what's gonna happen is we just take what this gives us, which is pretty much like, even if I didn't draw that bearish or that flag, I would have shorted these equal highs because it's a London session high tap. Just short it. Take a 1-to-1. It'll give it to you. But now it's also going to be reacting off of that trend line. Boom. Boom. Even if it gives you this and then rips higher, there's still more than enough here to catch a 1-to-1. I think gold shorts will play out here. Okay, let's see if we get that sweep. Nothing yet. Come on, gold. This isn't good enough. I'll take this short, guys, if we get it. Deadass, I'll take it for like a 1-to-1 because gold is extremely choppy. Yeah, gold shorts isn't bad. I just needed to do a cleaner sweep first. So nothing yet. I needed to go do a cleaner sweep first. Guys, look, the market, can we all admit the market looks extremely horrible today? Can we all admit the market looks disgusting today? This is how you tell. This is how you look at the market. And if you're like lost, you're just confused, you're doing analysis and no levels aren't respecting. Look, we just closed through a 15-minute bearish gap. Doesn't make any sense. While we have lows below us to go take. That doesn't make any sense. And Q just broke structure with a huge engulfing candle to the upside. The stuff is telling us it's bullish, but we're in a 4-hour bearish gap. It doesn't make any sense. Like, we are in a 4-hour bearish gap. Does that mean that you want to inverse this while we have new week opening gap below us? Doesn't make any sense. Like, you would think this dump from when? Yesterday wanted to go to new week opening gap, but no, it didn't. We stop right before it and instead start putting in a new, let me go to the daily time frame. We stop right before it. Daily FEG below us, we don't use that either. Daily FEG below us, we don't use that either. We start printing in a bullish candle. I think this might just be the wick. I think FOMC sends NQ like straight to hell. Oh my God, come on, gold. Please don't do this. I want a clean sweep and then a rejection. I know you want to go lower. Just give me a cleaner sweep first. Let's look at NQ. NQ, I need NQ to take out Asia session high first. I want this to go higher. Like, look, this is Asia session high. This is a liquidity pool, a pair of equal highs at Asia session high. This is what I want to see on NQ. Beep, beep. This is what I want to see on gold. Beep, beep. And ES looks nasty. That's literally the two things I'm looking for. In NQ, if you draw the fib from top to bottom in the 15-minute, then in OTE zone, we have 15-minute BPR and Asia session high and liquidity right below the zone, and that OTE zone is 1 hour BPR. Yeah. I think NQ is going to be bearish, but it's like I need my level to get tapped. I need my level to get hit. Man, we're in OTE right now. We just needed to go a little bit higher. If it sells off here, then I don't think I'll catch it. Because this is a dangerous spot to short from. What's going on, Ben? Gold has a lot of lows resting below us though. Today's a day where you just trade your model. Just trade the model. And see what happens. NQ is flushing now. NQ's flushing. Ridiculous. Guys, we're gonna just be patient today. And we're gonna start expecting to not take a trade. I can't short this when there's Asia session highs just right above me. That's going against everything in my blood. Peep gold. Oh. All right, gold. I want you to do a clean sweep. I want gold to give me a clean sweep. There we go. I knew the highs was much closer. Still nothing on gold. Gold swept in GC, not in CFD. Huh. It did. Good call out. It definitely did. I just don't want to get cooked here. Gold shorts isn't horrible. I think I might take it. There's displacement. Do I want to wait for the 3-minute versus the 5-minute? This is the 5-minute gap. And that's also the 3-minute. But look at this displacement. Holy shit. Hey, calm down, gold. Oh, what the fuck? I gotta wait on the 5-minute now. I don't think it will. We just took out a low. We just took out a low. The 3-minute close, but it's right at a low now. I gotta see how the 5-minute wants to react. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Calm down. Shit, me. Oh, gold is running without us, bro. I'm taking a sell on gold, but it doesn't look like it. This is so annoying. I don't want it to tap this FEG, bro. I really don't. The 5-minute close, that's good. Boom. That's good. That's good enough for me. 5-minute closed. Okay, manage this. I'm gonna buy 6 at this low. You gotta go break even on that. Great push. Come on, gold. Did I go break even too quick? I'm up 300. Come on, go push, 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 girl. There we go. I need you to run. Run, gold. There we go. Keep running. There we go. Keep running. Guys, I gotta piss so bad. Hopefully this hits TP and not like break even. What the fuck? Are you fucking serious? Bro, gold, are we dead ass? This is atrocious. Nah, man. Mute your mic when you go. Oh, my bad, bro. Oh my God, bro. Is this gonna be a break-even trade? Oh my God, bro. Whatever. That sucks though. That really sucks. If this is a break-even trade. Wow. I think this is gonna be a break-even trade. That's like freaking horrible gold. I'm not trying to lose fees on this. Fucking horrible, man. Absolutely disgusting. Yeah, it's about to stop me out. Boom. Took out 8 cons for me. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Stopped me out on that. Come on, gold. The first FEG reversal. On the 3-minute here, it's still about to go stop us out. Like these lows were my first target. We just didn't take it. And I'm now longing this. If anything, I'll short this again if it gives another sweep above. Market held you until this man speaks. Yeah. What's crazy is I'll attempt another short of a proper sweep. I took this short because we were having an SMT with gold with GC, so I was like, that's pretty cool. In my flood. Did the 5-minute even close? No, the 5-minute never even closed, so you see. That sucks. Oh, okay. If this shit starts dumping from this FEG, I might crash out. Let's look at NQ. What's up with these break-even trades? Yeah, I don't do limit orders. You're missing something. What happened was we had a session sweep, IFEG. We took the trade. My target was here, but you're this close to your target, so you got to go break even. We went break even, so yeah, we didn't lose, but we didn't win either. So it's like, now we're just waiting. Yeah, it's just a break even day. It's because I left to go use the restroom. That's why I chose to break even me. No, I don't do limits. I only do limits if I'm waiting on a retracement. But if I'm waiting on a candle closure, I'll just manually enter the trade. Hey, we're at 58 viewers. What was our peak? How can I see the peak? 64. 64 viewers. Guys, 75 viewers, you get a free funded account with Apex. Oh my goodness. I'm a little upset. Why are we having a V-shaped recovery back to the upside? Okay, take out these equal highs and give me another short entry. Because we still haven't swept anything. If anything, this just gave us better reasons to go lower. I want you to sweep these highs and give us a better... Yeah, I might still dump, but I think it'll come to stop out these people here. Because if I was still holding, there's no way it's going to let me win. It's going to come stop everyone out here. Let's look at NQ. NQ is breaking back higher. It definitely is. It should, because we need to grab these Asia session highs above us. I took our limit entry at 3-minute IFEG. You might still win, but I think they're gonna come for your I think they're gonna come for these stop losses up here. Yeah, Trump is speaking in. It says Trump speaks at 8:30 a.m. Oh no, this entire retracement here just pissed me off. If it starts flushing lower, that's just genuinely bad luck. These are equal highs like a motherfucker. We're at 55 viewers. I'm waiting at 302.76.30 for the retracement at a 5-minute IFEG. I'm just watching now. Like the last time we edged these highs, it gave this entire move downward. But this time it gives us freaking 3 seconds of fame. ES took out those highs. NQ is coming to take out these highs. I have too many colors on my screen. I'm deleting some stuff. There we go. Yeah, it is. That's 3 minute. I kind of want this to spike up and dump. Let's see what Trump does for it. Market open is in what, 10 minutes? I would not be placing a trade, guys, on NQ or ES if I were y'all. I just would not be doing that. Are you talking about on gold, TMFX? Gold just pissed me off. I don't even know if I want to trade it again. It was so clean. I thought it was going to be one of my quickest TPs ever. How many ticks was this? It was just a break-even trade, 12. I should have trimmed. I'm sure it was a 1-to-1. I could have trimmed. Barely, because my stop loss was here. So that's barely a 1-to-1. Down here is the 1-to-1 I needed to trim. Yeah. Look at that rejection on NQ. It just can't do it. It just can't break above this level. So do you know what happens now when Trump comes out and we do break above this level and we take out these highs? If we reject and close back below this level, I'm shorting that. We are at 58 viewers. Like, I think we will get above this level, but I think it's waiting for market open because it needs help. It needs some help right now to do that. I'm looking at gold again. I want round 2. I want round 2, baby girl. This time, give me a proper sweep. I don't care about no SMT nonsense. Give me a clean, nice sweep. Like, bro, look at this. Look at this edge. Nah, hell no. Come on, we're going lower, gang. Yeah, I could. I'm just waiting for market open now, guys. Yes, it does. It does. I'm looking for a sell on gold. Okay, okay. We've taken out the level, gold. What you gonna do? You gonna keep pumping? If you're gonna keep pumping, then it's clipped. This could be, is this a breakout? See if it closes above 4,360. I don't think it shouldn't. That's too high. It could. We just gotta watch. You just really gotta watch it. Like, see, we're rejecting. I like that. There's no reason to break out now. Just wait for FOMC gold. Let's just wait and see. This could be the 3-minute FEG that it prints. Let's just wait and see. I'm using tradeify and TradingView, and my prop firm I'm using is Apex. Oh, Apex broke through. Oh, I said Apex. NQ broke through. It got 5 more minutes till market opens. I truly think Apex is about to come take out these highs. I keep saying Apex. NQ is about to come take out these highs for sure. I'll short gold. I'm being honest. I'll short this if it gives me an entry. I do think we're about to like flush to hell. Check 1 minute. I don't trade the 1 minute. I just don't trade the 1 minute. It does look like accumulation manipulation. We could inverse back to the downside for some distribution. Well, we'll see. We gotta wait. We just gotta stay patient. This FEG here will determine whether we go higher or not. And if we go higher, then we see what NQ's doing. And based on what NQ's doing, NQ has 3 more minutes. NQ's gonna go a hell of a lot higher, guys. Let's be real. Are we setting up nicely? If we take a loss on this, I'll be cooling off of it. I really don't care. If this inverses, I'm taking it. And this time, I'm not gonna go break even to my 1-to-1. Like, I'm gonna either win or lose if this inverses, because I like it. There we go, boys. It's time. It's time, baby girl. It's time to see what you can do for me. What can you do for me? Okay, because I'm gonna hold this trade, my stop loss has to go at the highest point of this. So the most protected. I can risk 480. about 500 on this. And TP for 500, yeah, about these lows. So write it down to these lows. Not bad. Well, let's see, it has to inverse first. What a rejection on NQ. Y'all keep making me toggle back and forth. This is a disgusting rejection on gold. Holy shit. Let's look at NQ. What time is it? It's 8:29. Guys, we have 1 minute. We have 1 minute. If gold starts pumping, then it starts pumping. And we don't short it. Let's see what NQ is doing. We have 25 seconds. This market looks so dangerous and choppy. Boom, there goes your highs. What did I say? Highs, boom, reject. Let's see if it holds. Oh my goodness, so obvious. So freaking obvious. My goodness, bro. I hate market open so much. Should you enter on what? I don't know who Chupacabra is. Let's watch gold. I think gold will give us the sell-off we need now. Oh, it's moving. Hey, gold, calm down. If this doesn't close, I'm not gonna take it. Yeah, it's not closing. Bro, look at NASDAQ. Marcus, did you catch this? The short on NASDAQ? It literally did what I said it would. Once we take out these highs, it's flushing. It's just not gonna give us an entry because it's market open. Like market open is never gonna give you an entry and you can't chase that. Like it's flushing. We're dumping straight to hell. It's so obvious. Yeah, it was open. And now I'm waiting on gold to show me something. It's like, I like these rejections. I know you want to go lower gold, but you need to like make something shake now. This is a 1 minute sweep. Can you do a 1 minute IFEG? I think gold is just, it's my rip higher. Like, I really don't like, that's part of trading though, so you can't control that, but it is what it is. When you can, you know where the market's going. You know what it wants to do and what it wants to do after, but you just know there's going to be some type of manipulation involved that won't let you get involved in the market. Because I'm like, wow, it's going to wait for market open. 1 minute before market open is going to pump into this Asia session high with this untapped 1 hour, which we knew it would do. And then market's going to open, is going to give you no entry, it's just going to flush. That's exactly what happened. Gold might give us an entry though. It's just so wicky. Golly. Like, I need a full candle closure here, bro. Look at gold taking 10 years to inverse. I'm not gonna force anything here. I'll still take in none the same. It doesn't look like it wants to though. Or maybe it wants to do another sweep, but this looks like it's holding bullish structure. But if this candle had inversed even after 1, 2, 3, I would still take it. But it looks like it's breaking out like Marcus predicted. What's going on? I have no idea, man. That's FOMC shit. What's going on is we waited for, we're looking for two setups. We're looking for shorts on NQ and we're looking for shorts on gold. The first short we took on gold, which was here, we got break even on. The first short we took was here, we got break even on. After price swept out literally nothing, that's okay. The second shorts that we're planning on taking is here, but gold is printing a long, big bullish candle. That's okay. And then on NQ, we wanted shorts as well. and the shorts didn't happen till market open, where we can't trade or find any setups to trade on. And now it's going to hit our London low target, which would mean I'm done looking for setups on NQ this morning. So our only hope now is for gold to literally flip bearish, inverse this gap like it's doing right now, and I would still take this short. If anything, this became a higher probability short. If we're able to flip bearish. If we start printing bullish candles higher, then this is just bullish. This isn't a sweep. So yeah, there goes those London lows. Let's go there goes these London lows soon, and then that'll be it. Gold looks like it's bullish. This looks like a breakout. And if I don't get anything, that's fine. What are we? Monday, we won. Tuesday, it was break even, and then I had a slight dub. And then today has been break even. I want to see if we can catch a dub. If not, that's fine. Then we still have Thursday and Friday. Yeah, I did. It retested Asia session high right here. And now it's flooding to hell. It just didn't give us an entry. Like, it's ridiculous. Man, fuck gold, man. Oh, we don't have Friday. Ugh. So then we're still on track to have a profitable week. If we we have one Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday break even. If I win tomorrow, profitable week. Come back again the next week. Yeah, I'm still watching. I'm still watching. This candle might flip. This candle might flip. It's struggling though. If it starts, nah, never mind, gang. I don't know what NASDAQ is doing. What's Trump saying? Trading while that man is speaking is dead ass just is like gambling, bro. What the fuck is this? I'm watching. Gold's definitely gonna be the play. But gold looks bullish now. But we'll see. Today's looking like a break-even day. Yeah, the giveaway is up but we never hit 75 viewers today. We never hit 75 viewers today. Why? I do that? I'd rather take the short on ES if ES gives me some type of IFEG to short out of. I don't just blindly short. Look, you're about to go get cooked. Why would you just blindly short? You're about to go get cooked. Like, yeah, gold is clipped. Don't worry about gold. Gold is clipped. It's like you don't just, like, just because price is retracing, you don't just go click sell. You can't do that. You're literally about to get clipped. Yeah, Marcus is in gold longs. I'm starting to notice my stream never really gets active till around 8:30. Y'all do know I trade at like 7, right? It would be nice if gold can give a retest first. Before moving higher. Most people don't trade before the gamblers wake up. LOL. Bro, like, why is it doing this though? Do y'all understand that the read is so off? Like, price action is so off. For example, okay, yes, we're having a bullish leg. That's perfectly fine because we have Asia highs here that it can potentially want to go to. That's cool. But before making this move, we didn't sweep some type of liquidity first. Look at this low here. We couldn't sweep that? No. Okay. Same with NQ. NQ, we tapped Asia session high. We dump. This is London session low right here. You're telling me we put in a new high first? It doesn't make any sense to me. NQ might give us the shorts I was crying about. This is my last trade attempt. I don't like that we left these London lows untapped. Yeah, today's price action is wild. If this trade setup here doesn't present itself, I'm hopping off. I'm gonna take a stab at this. I'm gonna take a stab at this. Let's see what you can do for me. Oh my goodness, look at this wick. Hey, yo. Look at how big this freaking stop loss is, bro. We're going for a 1-to-1 on this. If it even gives it to us. I think I'm about to, yeah. Oh, man. If this doesn't close, then I'm going to hop off, guys. There we go. Slow down, though. Slow your ass down, bro. I want to take shorts here, give shorts here a stab. Bro, I need this to slow the fuck down. Oh my God. I'm gonna do a sell limit on this. This is ridiculous. Guys, I'm hopping off the charts. Wow. If this low gets taken without hitting my sell limit, I'm hopping off. Okay. 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 This should run straight to stop loss. Regardless, guys, this is my last trade, win or lose, and I'm hopping off the chart. I don't like price action for the day. I used to risk 500. I risked about 400 on this setup simply because I didn't like it at all. Simply because I don't like the price action. The setup itself isn't bad. I don't like the price action today. It's not great. I want to see what NASDAQ wants to do here. Give me a sec. Is it safe to go break even? Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, girl. If this 5-minute here starts getting closed above, I'm getting out of this. This is getting ridiculous. Oh, gold is, this is just a retracement. Come on, NQ, push. Just push, baby. I just want a 1-to-1. That's all I want. I just want a 1-to-1. Just want a 1-to-1, girl. I'm not holding runners. I'm not leaving. Just 1-to-1. Just give it to me, girl. Like, come on. I know you want to stop out everybody who longed here. I know you do. Once this low gets taken, that's break even for sure. Or I might even sell if it rejects and doesn't hit TP. Come on, baby girl. Come on, baby. There we go. Keep dumping for me, girl. Not yet. Not yet. Don't jinx me. Not yet. Start saying good trade and shit, then it starts reversing and shit. Yeah. Setup was nasty. What's it called? The price action was nasty today. Not yet. At this level here, I'm definitely going break even, and I actually might sell early because of how bad price action is. If it rejects this low without hitting my actual TP, I might sell it early. Price action has been extremely horrible. Okay? This is what I'm talking about. Go hit TP. Right there. Boom. We're out. Oh, man. Today was a roller coaster day. Oh, my God. What a roller coaster, man. Today was a roller coaster, man. Holy shit. Usually I would leave a runner to these lows, but man, price action was disgusting. Oh my goodness. Price action was disgusting. But look, it came, this is why you stay patient and you don't chase the market. Hold on, let me talk my shit now because I want. This is why you stay patient and you don't rush the market. This was where we wanted the reaction from, guys. This was where we wanted it from. Market opened and instantly dumped. Market opened and instantly dumped. When it instantly dumped, all that happens, you just go boo-hoo. What I saw was gonna happen, happened, and I didn't catch an entry. You just have to let it go. But look, the market rewarded us, patience. It came back up, re-swept everybody who FOMO'd into this, re-swept them, and gave us a much better entry. This entry that we took here was about a 1-to-1-ish or so. It makes sense for this type of day. Like, look at the market. The market is just ranging back and forth. A 1-to-1 is your best bet here. And what we wanted on gold didn't happen, but we were able to catch a dub on NQ. So what's our win rate for the week, guys? We won Monday. Tuesday on stream was break even, but I took a trade off of stream with my Discord that won, but I sized smaller. And then Wednesday was a dub. So you've won 3 days. Friday, there's no trading. Win or lose tomorrow, you're profitable. That's all profitability is. Win or lose tomorrow, you're profitable. You come back next week and you do it again. That's how it works. Good trade, fellas. Make sure y'all like the stream. Use code DAE at checkout for your Apex accounts. We're trading gold on Apex. We're trading NQ on Apex. Use code DAE at checkout, and I'll see y'all boys tomorrow. Peace.